What's happening, everybody? It's your boy Creative. Go ahead, say it with me. We are back at it again to do what? To create something great. Now, Happy New Year. I hope you all were able to bring in the new year peacefully, joyfully with your family and loved ones, and you're able to have a great time doing so. Today, we're going to be paper trading our Algo bots that we've created with y'all. We already have a bot that is currently in position right now, so it's super. Oh damn, and it already TP'd. That is a hell of a way to be able to start your first trade of the new year. First trade of the new year, it was able to go from negative to positive. And remember, green is good, and it's currently in a position right now, but I feel like it's chasing. All right, we have what is that? 12 bots running live today. And all of these bots are going to have different perspectives and different items that they're going to need to be able to get done. And if y'all do have any questions throughout this process, you let me know. But right now, our bots are running. Our bots are running. We're paper trading. I'm going to be giving y'all a sneak peek in the market in a bit so we can see what's really going on. But right now, hold on. Give me a moment. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at the market real quick and see what's really going on there. Let's go look at QQQ. Remember, QQQ is the top 100 tech companies within the NASDAQ. QQQ gapped the hell up this morning. So I understand that now. Let's go look at SPY. SPY doing the same thing, gapped up like a mug. Let's go look at VIX real quick. And remember, VIX is the volatility index. VIX is at 14. All right, so that's not bad. So we have SPY, and I'm looking at it on the 1 minute chart. So what that means is that each one of these candlesticks represents 1 minute of action. So I'm looking at SPY and QQQ. Remember, SPY is the S&P 500, top 500 companies within the New York Stock Exchange. It gapped up this morning, but the bears are trying to pull it down. Same thing for QQQ. Let's go look at our positions to see if anybody is in one. I'm going to say no, they're not, but hold on. 100 top. I mean, this is really exciting. I'm not going to hold you. Being able to come off a holiday and especially the turn of the year, I was excited to see how the bots were going to trade this, right? And how they're going to being able to get this done. And another goal of mine is just making sure that we can trade with no errors today. We can trade with no errors, then we are really Gucci, fam. Really, really Gucci. So I do have a couple other things that are going to be planned for y'all today, but again, the main point is to being able to paper trade our bots. There are some. Let's just have a little go around. Give me 1 second. Let me just make sure everything's goo up. There's no issue. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Excuse me. All right, Gucci, here we go. So again, here at Creative Coder, our aim is to be able to create different algo trading bots, AI agents, machine learning, or different cool coding projects that we're going to be bringing to y'all in order for us to. Oh crap! I was just asking if, bruh. All right, give me 1 second. I gotta go fix this bot real quick. I gotta go fix this bot, and how I'm gonna go fix it is with Claude Code. So give me a moment, and I'm gonna bring y'all over there so y'all can see what I'm doing. But y'all see this error here, right? So I need to go take care of it real quick. Um, Review and let's fix the issue at hand. All right, so you're gonna get that done for me. Let me go look at everybody else. Everybody else is Gucci, man. They're just waiting for their opportunity to be able to get into the game. One thing that I did learn throughout paper trading is just making sure, okay, let's ensure that you're Gucci, but you hadn't even started yet. Oh, you know what I learned? If you're not running, let me just stop you because you're banging the API. You ain't even up yet. So once you, because these bots, I think you start at 44 or you start at 10 o'clock. And then this bot here starts at 44. And then this bot here starts at what time? 45. Right. So I want to wait 9:45 and at 10 a.m. So I want to wait a little bit to be able to start these bots up because I don't want them just hitting the API and causing a bit of issues. And I want to see, let's just go around real quick and let's see what everybody's screaming. Right. This is one of our breakout bots. It trades SPY, again, the S&P 500. And it's looking and it's telling us right now, hey, the breakouts are a bit too small or too little volume. So I can appreciate the feedback. Then we have Momo. Momo trades QQQ. Same thing. No breakout yet. Then we have Sniper. Sniper, what time you start? You start at 9:40. So let me just stop you real quick. And then once you start, I'll put you back on. Second chance. All right, we just had that rectified. No. Let's go run it. Holy cow, bro. Let's fix. So we still have one more issue to fix. As soon as we get this issue rectified, this bot will be good and running. Let's go check out other ones. Second chance, running's looking for positions, and we also have Easy Reader. I'm excited about this one because there's a couple of things that I did to be able to update this bot. So I'm interested to see how it's going to perform in the actual live market. Then we also have RangeBaby. RangeBaby is one of our most active bots. It is constantly trading, and I had to tamper that down a bit. So I'm interested to see, or being able to give it a little bit more filters, right? So we're just not trading for the sake of trading. Then we have our TrueLies bot. This bot trades QQQ and SPY. So it's a bot that has two symbols that is trading. So I'm interested to see how that's going to work out. Gravity bot. This is the bot that I created live with y'all earlier this week. That it's technically it's its second day paper trading. The first day was on the 31st, the end of the year, and here is the first day, second day at the turn of the year. Right. So that's interesting. And then we have Mind the Gap, another bot that we created with y'all. And as you can see, I can make the logging a little bit better here so it can tell me what's going on. Like if you could compare them, right? Like this one's a little bit better as compared to Mind the Gap. But don't worry, we're going to make that a little bit better. Let me go ahead and copy you. Clear, paste. All right, here we go. We're Guab. Okay, perfect. I just want to watch it for a bit just to make sure. So y'all watch this for a second. I gotta go grab some agua. All right, we're Guap. Who starts at 9:40? Somebody starts at 9:40. I think you start at 9:40, don't you? Yup. Let's go ahead and get you started. Go ahead and clock in for the day. Go ahead and clock in for the day. I would appreciate it. Thank you. All right, beautiful. You're clocked in. All right. Y'all, I'm going to make it such that like y'all can actually see when I'm in um cursor. So give me a second. I have to improve the settings. 2 seconds. We are streaming. Oh shit. All right. Now I can close you. And then we can open, where you at? Option bots. Here we go. Y'all can see a lot better for you to be able to look at. Let me go ahead and get the Cloud Code 4.5 Office model up. Damn it, friend. Damn it, damn it, damn it. So this is what I'm talking about. These little errors here that I'm running into with being able to run all of our bots is super annoying. Oh, Mind the Gap found one. That's what's up. Talk to me nice. Let's go. This is only, yeah, this is the only position open right now. Excuse me. Well, let's go ahead and drive the boat. Let's go ahead and drive the boat. Y'all not even looking. My fault. My fault. My fault. Hold on. All right, so that's one thing I want to look into like right now before the day really gets us on the road is our one of the main things that I get our data from Alpaca. Hold on. So here it is. So, all right, we need you to review the following using RG, awk, bat, less, or a different terminal commands so you can understand what is going on here. All right, so while that's getting warmed up and prepped, let's just go back to our bots. Let's see what's really good, what's really goo up with them. And again, most of our bots are having a staggered start. And this morning, if we go take a look at the market real quick, so we saw as soon as the market opened, it gapped up, meaning that there was a lot of overnight pressure, right? And that would make sense because the last time the market was open was on the 31st and it closed early, right? So the market had a little bit over 36 hours to be able to accumulate and figure out. So that's what happened. We saw this massive gap up right here. So the bears decided to be able to push the price up way past this overbought line. And that's what this Bollinger Band's here, right? This red line is the overbought. This blue line is the average, right? And then the green line is the oversold. So we have it where it gapped up. Bulls pushed it up, and then the bears try to push it right back towards this average. And that's where it's looking is going right now. But the bulls are taking back in control. And this is QQQ. And SPY, the same thing, right? Gapped up. Bulls took control. Bears try to drive it back down, but bulls are steadily trying to bring it back up, right? And then VIX, VIX is hovering at 14 right now, so it's nothing that we need to be too cautious of. So, and then we have a few more bots that are running that need to go start, and it's going to be you. All right, so let's go ahead and get you started. So while you're getting started, I need y'all to come back over to Claude Code. Make sure you really understand the file and haven't overlooked even the smallest of details. Proceed. All right, again, so let's have it go ahead and do its thing there. Let's have it go ahead and do its thing there. All right, Gucci, because one thing that I definitely want to make for certain now is moving forward, bro. Shout out to the you, man. Shout out to the you. That's all I'm going to say is that, yo, ain't the you the back. We ain't never left. We just was in hibernation, man. So shout out to the you. All right, let's get back on task. So we are paper trading our bots right now. In addition to that, I need to go over the data provider Alpaca just to make sure that if there is any issues, so we can probably properly rectify them currently without having to wait for one to be able to pop up. So what I'm doing is I'm having Claude Code being able to go through the file so you can proper understand it. I'm going to do one more pass through of all of our bots. Oh, why did you stop? Oh, you don't trade. Oh, you're up and running right now. So let me get you up. This is the error that I want to be able to rectify, right? Just to make sure that we're goo up. Okay. Let's go ahead and go to the round table. Make sure everybody's good. They're getting the data that they need. Good. Yeah, getting the data you need. Proper. I mean, you can be better with the logging, but I'm just going to make note with that. All right, you're getting the data. You're getting the data. Gravity Baby. All right, beautiful. And then Mind the Gap already did two of them things. All right. Go back to your spot, bruh. I really dislike it when you don't listen to me. Oh, here we go. We had a position that's about to open up. Let's see if this go ahead and as you can see, whenever there is a position, so we have a call breakout, right? So we're bullish on the market. We're thinking that the market is going to go up, right? But we just don't take any position because we're looking for quality options, because you can have a great signal all day, but if you don't choose the right option contract, it just goes to shit, right? So that's what's happening here, is that our data entry validation fell for SPY. All right, spread too wide, bid is missing, dividing by 0. So we're looking for the optimal contract here. So as you can see, I'm still having this data issues where it's falling over, and that's what I want to resolve now. Matter of fact, let me just take a picture. Oh, you're in a position. So we have a couple bots in positions right now. Let me shit. Second chance. Second chance is in position. You're in position. Mine for you's in position right now. A couple bots in position. All right, come on. Get right. Get right. Don't make us look bad. Yeah, we have. Oh, shit. My fault. Here we go. All right. Somebody just closed out. What did you close? Oh, you closed stop loss. And you just opened up another one. That's what's up. I'm just going to keep a closer eye on you. Where's Mind the Gap? Mind the Gap is at. Did you? Yeah, I'm not even going to play with you. All right. So I'm going to let that go. And let's come back over to our clothing session. 2 seconds. All right. Copy. We'll address that. We are noticing that our bots are running into 429 and other issues, even though we have controls. Review, then advise what is causing this. I'm right here. There's no need to bounce. I'm right here, fam. I'm right here. See? So you need to do a better job of telling me when you're in position, and I kind of thought you told I fixed that, but apparently not, fam. You lost. Momo just closed out its second position with his dead may never die type shit. All right, let's come back over here. Use Python, not Python 3, and also goodness gracious. All right. Bear baby. Why did I? Oh, because you don't start till 10. Market didn't just open. I mean, it's been open for like 20 some odd minutes. Schwab with the 0 candles. The market just opened per your Schwab isn't returning. Make sure you understand how to use and work with the different providers. Want to make sure we get this cleared away, fam. But this is getting annoying, man. Like, I'm gonna get to a point. I'm only gonna run like 3 bots at a time, bro. Like, it's getting to that point. But that's so. Okay. Please tell me you do have the full picture. That will be fantastic. That will be absolutely fantastic, fam. That would be absolutely. Alright. It's saying it needs to dive. Hold on. Okay. Greek, and then, alright. Both systems. Dive into TOS and let's find out why this isn't working, fam. Review using the terminal commands, then run a series of C curls via terminal command to proper get this. Proper man. It's almost time for you to go. Alright, I'm not gonna hold you. Yes, no shit, it works, fam. No crapola. Found the issue today. 0 bars. Market just opened. No completed yet. No, no, no. We need a way to get the data from TOS. It used to work and need to figure out how to get it working for real time. Refer to the API MD file and let's get this done. Let's get this done, man, and stop like with the bull cocky, bruh. Stop with the nonsense. The doc says that the quote endpoint gives real time, but the issue that the use price history, which doesn't have the current minute issues. Okay, let me check what the bot actually needs. The bars of the quote. Found it, period, is 1, so it only gets today's bars, which is empty. Let's change it from 1 to 2, so it includes yesterday's bars as a fault. No, bitch. No, no, no. Listen to me, man. We do not want a fallback. We want this working. Run a series of terminal commands, then create a script so you understand how to work with the provider. Well, fucking pissing me off, man. It really cuss you out. It's like you don't know simple shit sometimes. Key fixes. The fix use the state time instead of end period. Let me create a test script. Works includes yesterday, which start time includes the last hour. This works real time. Okay. That's the fix. Use start daytime instead of period 1. This gives us real time. Um, double check and make sure this works and you properly are doing this correct. Well, yeah, because I'm not giving you carte blanche anymore, man. Because this right here, don't tell me I'm going to have to restart these bots too. That'll suck. That'll suck, but get me right. Okay. 29 candles, 15 after the tail. Now let me test QQQ and to verify the data frame format matches. All right. Give me the fuck right, man. Triple check once more. And make sure you got it. Then once you do, check again. Then once confirmed, let's update the file. Because sometimes you got to be real stern with them, right? It's like, man, you're supposed to. Never mind. I can get on my little soliloquy about this. Get me right and get it right. I would appreciate it. All right, let's go back and do a merry-go-round with our bots while it's figuring out its life right now. So as you can see, we're not running into the rate limit issues no more, because that's what's up. So that's kind of been figured out. I can appreciate that. I can appreciate that. Like now we're actually looking for positions. So you have one trade. Let me go ahead and do that. Sniper. You're still trying to run. Second chance, still trying to run. All right, beautiful. Double check it is working and make sure no gaps, then update with what we done. Bruh. Momo. Let's get Momo time. All right, clear, paste. All right, beautiful. And then you start now. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and get you up. God is good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So everybody's working. Um, let's review again and see. All right, give me 1 second. Let's review again and see if there is any race conditions, mal-formatted functions, anything that could cause an issue that we didn't address. Nothing is too small or big to be reviewed. Make sure you thoroughly review. Proper. All right, so I want to have you thoroughly review that file. So that'll be Gucci. Let's go have our merry-go-round real quick. So let's go see what the bots them doing. So we have our entire fleet running. Yeah, let me just make sure I ain't chatting shit. Entire fleet is running, and I wanted to make sure nobody was open in a position. Beautiful. I love it when y'all work and there's no problems, man. I do have a few more bots that I kind of had to take out of commission. Reason being so is because either the strategies themselves aren't translating. See. But you're supposed to be rolling over. See what the fuck? Okay, there's a rolling over well though. Schwab fell back before. We're still getting errors about TOS fallback not returning candles. Do we need to restart the bots? Let's find what this issue is. If I need to restart them, let me just see. You even haven't. The bots are still using the old code. Let me check. They're running with cache reversion. All right, so I just need to restart y'all. All right, just give me a second. Restart all the bots to fix Schwab. That's always fun. That's fun. So I want to restart all of you. Starbaby. Penny for you. This is just the monotonous part of it. Not gonna hold you, but all right, come on. Momo. I know I just restarted you, but it ain't me, it's them, bro. It's them. It's them. All right. Again, it ain't me, it's them. This is very. If one thing is like, I would love to be able to figure out a process where like I can just click one button and then start and stop all of our bots, right? I mean, I tried to do that before, but this shit just didn't work out. What was I trying to use? Some shit. Hold on. Here we go. Oh, you're trying to find a breakout, and the order was placed. That's crazy. All right, let's just watch this real quick. That's what's up. Come on now, bring your ass. Come on. All right, while that's going, let me just quickly restart you. All right, come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay, you restart. You reset. Let me go ahead and reset you. This is just HFTBaby bot.py. Damn it, fam. All right, let me just go ahead and just restart all of these real quick. I got 2 more. Oh, let's go. Yeah, I'm not even gonna play with you. I'm not even gonna play with you, man. All right, but you're fine. Did I restart you? I think I did TrueLies already. Yeah. Now I need to restart you. All right, you can be bullshitting. Okay, thank you for not taking a year and a day. Thank you for not taking a year and a day. I really do appreciate that. All right, now you run. Now let me restart you. That was a process. All right, all of our bots have been reset, so you should give me no problems. Okay, let me come back over here. I just reset all of our bots, and now let me fix these issues. Race condition. We have these issues that need to get fixed. All right, we did so, and for now, good. Let's review the following issues and make sure they're properly issues before we fix them one at a time. Proper process. I'm not gonna hold you, bruh. I am not going to hold you, fam. Do y'all want me to play the vibes like I had last time? Hold on. Oh, I thought you said you was looking for a position. I was about to say. So y'all see, we're not getting any issues. We're not getting the yellow message, right? The eerie yellow message. We're not getting that anymore, and all of our bots are running proper. So it looks like it was just issues within the file itself. Oh shit, but I don't want to have to verified migrated 5 buffer helps. Not a problem. Data is copied before unlock fast. Yes, hides issues. Okay. Acceptable. This is an issue. .env file is here. Doesn't have the incorrect credentials. What do you mean for issue 5? Run a few terminal commands to confirm it before we proceed with fixing these issues. Again, do not expose the keys. Well, I still don't trust you yet because last time you had my shit all on the streets, fam. I'm talking about like all on the streets for the people them to see. I'm glad I moved because guess what it did? It exposed the keys again. Sometimes you don't listen. You fucking hard-headed for no reason. Loads Belair stock, so uses a different alpaca credential than the rest of the system. I got you. You're using it from a different one instead of. Fair enough. All right. How are we going to fix as well as the .env file issue? Let's make sure we understand it and how to address it so it doesn't break what we have. Well, I got files reading in .m file from a different location. Let me see. All right, we have no positions open right now, but we did have a flurry of a day. We did have a flurry of a day. We had like 2. Okay. That's a nice chunk. Damn near 10 positions open. And so all of our bots are running. So there's nothing like I need to do to be able to monitor them. Like that's why I love algo trading. I could do things on the side and also have our bots running at debug logging inside the okay. All right, let's get this done and then make sure you update the change log. Let's get this done, whoa. Let's go ahead and go around. Let's go around. Let me start over here this time. This needs to be better. I keep saying that, but I'm gonna get you right. Don't worry. Cause y'all can see, and I thought I fixed it. What are you doing? Please, please, please don't spaz. All right, we have a couple positions that are open right now. They're trying to open. See what I mean? I was just chatting that you're not having no issues, but look what you have it now. Let me just copy this real quick because this shit right here, the sense that it makes is none. All right, come on. Fight back. Fight back. We have 3 positions open right now, all QQQ, all bullish sentiments. I mean bearish, excuse me, all bearish sentiments. Sniper's in a position right now. Oh, we just TP'd? That's what's up. So we're up on that position. What about you? Holy cow. Y'all see that? That's what's up. Y'all see, I am still running into these issues, the fam. We're still running into these rate limit issues. Why? We have a couple positions open, and I'm trying to keep an eye out on all of them. Okay, who's spazzing? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right, risk averse. So RS, go ahead and took that. I appreciate you. What happened here? TP2, that's what's up. Y'all can see I'm having 13 bots are running, 2 symbols, 12-minute polls. Alpaca's overflows 110. Schwab handles it. This is exactly as designed. Schwab is picking up the overflow. The rate limit near capacity warnings are expected. That's why you have the fall over. The one issue, still using a node code. Yes, but the fall over isn't picking up as fast or working as we need it to, right? Let's make sure there are no gaps there. Jit is in another position. I love it for you. Oh, okay, yeah. Just go ahead and get the fuck out. Go ahead and clear it. Oh, you about to open up another? You just open up another one, bro. That's crazy. How many positions do we have open right now? I have 2. Where's the other one? Ah, it's you. I got you. It's you. All right, so we have these 2 positions open right now. They're both a little bit of a laggard. They're turning for us. Wait, did we just hit break it? We just hit TP. That's what's up. Where you at? This is a little bit more automated trading. I'm not going to hold you. There's some I kind of need to babysit for a little bit. But there's others. It's like, bro, just go do your thing. Go do your thing, man. Yeah, let me just go ahead and. Damn, Jit. When I say you active, bruh, come on. Bring your ass. You just TP too? I love it. We made $37 today with this bot. Yeah, I'm gonna let you just chill second chance. I appreciate that from you. Oh, let's go ahead and make our money. Come on, bring your ass. This is crazy. You definitely need a cool down, man. I didn't expect you just to be able to just to jump like this. Well, let me let y'all watch that, cause you about to stop loss anyway. All right, bro. You need a cool down. I'm not gonna hold you. I need to put a cool down in you because this right here. Matter of fact, you're getting stopped. No, cause bet you need a cool down. That don't make no sense. You just jump in. Let me see where you at. You trying to open a position, but you're saying it's not working. Schwab is working. Okay, hold on. Let me come here. I don't see any position. Schwab is working fine. The 200 to 290 millisecond latency. The issue is the fallback logic. The gap found. If not, self alpaca limiter can request Schwab. Logging fallback. When Schwab fails and we're trying rate limited, we should not try alpaca. We should just raise the exception or return empty. Why isn't Schwab providing what we need when we are requesting it? What is the issue at play here? Well, all right, you're trying to get in a position. Is anybody else in a position right now? No, but HFTBaby is trying to get into one. Our high frequency trading bot is looking for a position. Oh, okay. And it's back to scanning. So that's fine. Let's just come back over here. Oh, bet. RangeBaby just open a position. Everybody's bearish on the market. As y'all can see. Everybody's bearish on the market thinking, oh shit. Did we just think wrong? You're down $12, Sam. You need all right, let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Okay, only have this one position open. I wanted to confirm that. All right, come on, run it. Run it. Run it. Let's go. Oh shit. Chatting big man things. All right, come on, come on. Let's go. We TP'd. We took profit. This bot should be done for today. Yep, you're done. I'm not even gonna overtrade you, fam. Yeah, done for today. So I have 3 bots that are done today. Give me 1 second. And let's go back to Claude code because I have some code that I need to fix as well. That I'm figuring out because our data providers are having a little bit of issue. Not them. I want to say it's them because I thought I figured out a way for us to be able to get it from Alpaca with no issues, but I'm still having problems. Right, fam? So just give me a second and we shall be Gucci. Some bots are running on Python. Oh, holy shit. Some bots are running on Python 13.11. Some bots are running on Python 3.13 with still cache. We need to clear the cache. No time I need to like stop and start these bots, bruh. All right, clear the stale cache. Now restart the failing bots, especially Easy Reader, to pick up the new code. The issue is that the stale Python bit cache. Okay. All right. But what about found it? Okay. Shit, y'all are using the old client. Hold on, 13 bots. Wait. issue. Wait. Shit. You said something before. Oh, it was just fallback logic. Okay. What about, is this still an issue, and how can we properly address this following object-oriented programming and best coding practices, especially for using 0DTE bots? Especially for using 0DTE bots, fam. Yo, you should develop a dashboard to follow. I am. What's going on, Paco? Happy New Year to you. I hope you and your family had a great one. Bonne année, as the Zoes would say. I am going to create a dashboard. I just really don't like using, or excuse me, developing front end websites. Those are the bane of my existence. But this weekend, it is on my docket to be able to create a dashboard so it can make it a lot easier to follow these bots, right? Because I mean, if it was just me, I don't have a problem being able to go through it like this, right? But if I can have a nice little UI, UX, user interface and user experience, right, just to make sure that they're very well, and we can be able to navigate through this, so I don't have to go through position to position, then it's like, all right, maybe I'll do that, right? But I do have that on the docket just to be able to make this a lot better. Don't worry, 2026 is not going to bring in the same things that 25 had in. But nonetheless, I appreciate you for stopping by, and I appreciate you for being here. Let me know if you have any other recommendations, right? Things that we are looking for. Let's go back to Claude Code real quick. All right. For 0DTE bots, we need a resilient failover, not crashing. We also not hammering the rate limited APIs. Best practices to raise the exception. Bot crashes, skip the cycle. Bad for 0DTE, misses entries. Return none empty. Bot handles. Okay, who's spazzing? You're opening a position. You're opening a position. Let's go ahead and make sure. Let's follow that. We have 2 positions open right now. Meaniebear is in a position. Who else is in a position? I think we're about to have 3. Who else is in a position right now? Somebody's in a position and they're up, and I can't see the freaking position. Is it you? When I say you need to do a better job of telling me when you're in said position, would be fucking awesome, fam. All right, did we TP? Yep, we made 15%. Bet. So we got in a position. It was less than a minute, and we made 15%. Now we're in another with our Meaniebear bot. Bet. Run it. And then we also have Penny for you that's looking for an option contract. When I say everybody's bearish on the market right now, I kind of appreciate it. Oh, it was you? You were in the position? Bro, I really need to look at you because this don't make no fucking sense. All right, let's go, HFTBaby. Show them what you about. Show them what you about, baby. Let's go. Talk to me nice. Oh, damn. That turned on us real fast, didn't it? Real the fuck fast. Come on. Come on. I still believe in you. Bring your ass. Come on. All right. Test and make sure this works and no gaps in this logic and can handle the system we have. Well, holy shit, bro. Holy shit. Wait, what happened? Where do we close? We close with the stop or okay. HFT. Where did you? Oh, that's what's up. We hit TP. That's what's up. We hit our take profit. Test one more time and make sure we're good before we do that. We hit our take profit, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm like super excited about. Y'all see this bot? This is one of the bots I'm like really excited to be able to get and switch over to real money. So as you can see here, it fought, right? It came in, it was thinking, it was like, all right, I'm Gucci them, right? And I can slide. So it was able to find a position. Then at the middle position, it was like, damn, this may not turn out well for us, right? Then same thing happened, and then it was able to TP just a few moments after that. So this bot is definitely legit, fam. So I'm just gonna let you go. And I still have a couple things in order to work out with Claude Code. We're still arguing. Raises clean exception, fail twice, retry Schwab, succeeds, exception, no rate limit. All right. Quadruple, check. And then let's proceed to implement it. No problem, man. Again, really have a lot of great things planned for y'all this year. And I'm looking for us to be able to grow as a community, right? I know a lot of people has been asking about Discord. I'm working on that. That's going to be something that we're going to be implementing. This bot had 2 trades, is up $7. That's what's up. If y'all want to see something, okay, let me just go through the whole gamut. So I'm like I said, I'm real super excited what I have planned for y'all. We're going to be growing as a community and a channel. I'm going to be spending a lot more time here with y'all because I really do love oh shit. We're in a position. I'm talking, I'm chatting, and we're in a position right now with our easy reader bot. This is a meme reversion bot that trades QQQ. So what it does is looking for a breakout, but it's also looking for it to be able to return back to its average. Right now we're currently down in the position, but let's see if it could turn it around. And it had 1 trade and it's up $1.66. And this bot has 3 minutes in order to take profit. Can y'all see? Do you want me to make this bigger? Yeah, let me just exaggerate it. Beautiful. So y'all can see it, right? All right. So this bot has 3 minutes in order to take profit at either 24% or there's a few more. It's just not listed there. Or there's a stop loss. So right now it is just, it's down a little bit. Now I need to restart these bots again. That's crazy. It's down a bit, but okay. Stop loss just triggered. That's fine. Let me just have you go. Who was I at? Okay. This bot, Momo, I need to figure out what's going on here. Because 3 trades. Oh, okay, that's what's up. We're up $25. Never mind. Momo, make me some money, Momo. Make me Momo money. This is a breakout or momentum breakout bot that trades QQQ. All right, this bot's still looking for a position. This is our sniper bot. This bot trades QQQ. It already had 2 trades and it's up $2 right now. And here is our high frequency trading bot. Y'all just seen it in action a little bit earlier, and it's still looking for positions. And here's our bot that has 2 symbols, right? It not only trades QQQ, but also SPY. And it looks like it had 3 SPY trades so far. But again, I think it needs to do a better job of letting us know when it's in position. Because I had to guess and kind of almost find out, like scurry to be able to find this out. And here's our gravity bot. This is a bot that I made with y'all earlier this week. This bot hasn't had any positions yet, but I do think that this one is going to be one of our good ones to stand out. All right, so everybody's okay. Don't do that. Don't do that. Everybody's running. There's really no issues right now. I do appreciate that. Maybe I'll bring in. There's one thing I kind of need to do with y'all, and that's being able to introduce y'all to Sona. Oh, hold on. There we go. We just found a position. This is Starbaby. Starbaby is the morning star and evening star candlestick patterns. So, lack of better words, it is a mean reversion strategy. So, it's betting that there's going to be a breakup above either the overbought or oversold line, and it's looking for it to be able to go back to its average. We are bullish on the market right now. We did buy a call, and let me just zoom in. We did buy a call. The current price of SPY is 682. We bought a call at 685. It cost us, where is it? $35, right? Oh shit, bro, get the fuck out. Get out. Get out. We're up 10%. Shit. It went from 10 to 5. Fuck. I folded. I was trying to catch it at 10. And we're going into another position. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, I'm gonna let it drive the boat. I'm gonna let you drive the boat because you showed me that you maybe could drive the boat. But I'm still in the passenger seat. I'm still here just to make sure if you fold, like we can hold on to that. Y'all see, I was trying to catch 10%, but by the time, and this is fucking slippage, bro. I was trying to catch 10%. By the time the position closed, we caught 4%. That is slippage in all of its forms. Let's double check and make sure. Good. All right, come on, baby, turn around. Turn around, baby. Let's go. Now bring me some money, Starbaby. All right, come on, Starbaby. Here we go. Here we go. Now bring a little bit more. Let's go. Sometimes you need to talk nice to these bots. Let's go. Oh, come. Let me see if you listen to me now. Can I get the 10%? Can I get the 10%? Yo, you gonna give me the 10%? Bet. All right, we got the 10%, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, you go back to your corner. Check once more and make sure there are no other issues and wait. All right, bet. Momo's done today. This bot made $25. Then we have our Meaniebear bot. This bot made $7 today. That's what's up. And I was kind of worried about today because whenever you do come back from a holiday, right, like the market is kind of volatile in a sense. And we kind of seen that earlier today as soon as the market opened, right? As soon as the market opened, we had a fucking huge gap up. So the market is just trying to find a pair. I don't know. Never mind. I ain't going to say nothing. This looks like something, though. And I'm using the Bollinger Bands. The reason I like to use the Bollinger Bands is because it allows me to see when the market is overbought and oversold. And we do have our Easy Reader bot that is currently in position right now. It did find a bullish breakout, and it did buy a call, and it's currently up 8%. So let's see how well it can do. Should I close? Let's wait. Let's wait. All right. Let me just, I'm not going to play with you. Did I get the 12%? Did I get 12%? Did I get better? Let's go. All right, so most of our bots, they only can trade. Okay, hold on. Somebody else is in a position. Shit. Come on. Oh, okay. We have Penny for you that's in a position right now. Okay, let me just make this a little bit bigger. Penny for you is our SPY momentum breakout bot. It is currently up 5%. I don't know if you can see that. If that's hard to see, yeah, it is hard to see. I need to improve that. There's a couple things I need to improve with these bots for UX and UI. Let's go. Did you TP? It made 12%. Man, let's go, man. This bot made $20 today all by itself. When I say truly automated trading, I love that. So let me go ahead and stop you. Then I'll review you later. All right. Are you stopped as well? I need to stop you. I'll review you later. Beautiful. I appreciate that. So I have some bots that are already done trading today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have a few more that are still going. I'm not going to hold you. I kind of want to get Easy Reader back up and run it again. Because this is a bot like I'm really interested to see how it's going to pan out. So I'm going to give you one more session, Easy Reader. I'm going to give you one more session and see how well you work out. So let's go ahead and give you that session. There you go. All right. Y'all give me a second. I'll be right back. Did we have any positions open? That would fall. That would fall. That's all right. Let me just go ahead and close these bots that's already done for today. This bot made $20 today. That's what's up, Penny, for you. I was kind of worried about you, too. This bot made $37 today. That's what's up, Second Chance. Thank you for welcoming to the party. This bot is up $25, man. I was kind of worried about Momo. RangeBaby. This bot made $83. Oh, no. It lost money. I need to look at you. I'm going to go spend some time with you. All right, so let's get these in better positioning, yeah? All right, let me see. I'm going to do that. Should I have done that? No. Okay, hold on. Let me do this. Then I'm going to bring you over so I can see a little bit more of you. Then I'm going to drop you down. Don't worry. Hold on. Hold on. I know how I'm going to do it. Then I also have you. Ah, you're down. Gabby Dem. I need to look at you too. Spend some time with you. All right. Let me drop you down. Let me bring you up. I'm going to bring you up as well. I should have kept you over here. I just brought you over. Then bring it up. All right. Here we go. Shit. My fault. Here we go. Let me bring it down a bit. Let me bring it over. All right, then we're going to go take a look at what the market is screaming. All right, bet. So y'all are running, man. Y'all are running. Y'all are the main shows of the attraction right now. Y'all are the bells of the ball, right? Let's go look at the market. Again, I told y'all, when the market first opened, it gapped up like a mug, and it's been trying to find parity ever since. And it's looking like this is QQQ, and I'm looking at it on the 1 minute chart. And it's looking like the bulls are back in control and steadily taking control of the market. And right now, right? And it's looking like they're pushing the price up to new resistance level. Remember we talked about support and resistance? I don't have my support and resistance up right now. Give me 1 second. Let me go get my support and resistance so you can see what I'm screaming. Give me 1 second. I'm going to go find the support and resistance. I'll just look at this real quick. Support, resistance. Oh, let me go get that support and resistance real quick because this is going to pay dividends. Where is it? Images. All right, support and resistance. Here we go. Support and resistance, right? So resistance is when the asset is making higher highs, right? So it's pushing up to be able to make higher highs, and support is when the asset is making lower lows, right? So right now we're looking at QQQ, and it's looking like it's trying to touch new resistance levels, right? I can appreciate that, bro. Go ahead and make me some money. SPY as well. So today was kind of a beautiful day for our bots. A beautiful, beautiful day. And if y'all do have any questions specifically when it comes to being able to run Algo bots, I mean, this is the time to be able to ask them, right? If you do have any specific questions, let me know. These past couple of sessions have been about being able to trade our bots, and these bots have been doing, I'm not going to hold you, it's been an up and down roller coaster, but now I'm wanting these bots to be able to do a little bit better, right? And I've gone ahead and implemented a few things, whether that's being able to make sure that they can proper get their data, right? But I need to do something. Properly get their data, or just making sure that there's no issues that they're running to. Right now, running, what is this? That's 3, that's 6, 8 bots. Consecutive seems like it to be a good number. Anything over 8 may be something I need to consider. But nonetheless, as you can see, like all of our bots have shifts, right? So it's not like all of them are going to be running continuously. As soon as they hit their 3 trade, oh, here we go. All right, come on, Minnie. Let's go. Oh, hot hand skip. Previous trade was a loss. Previous trade was a win, bruh. What you talking? I was looking at it. Maybe it wasn't. Bullish breakout, and I just told y'all there was a bullish breakout. One of our bosses just found it, so that's what's up. It's always, I told you it's gonna be a bullish breakout. It's a bullish breakout right now. It should have caught it right there. I don't know why our boss didn't catch it right. If you would have caught it right there, would have had a nice little ride and made some money. Now the bears are trying to take back in control. So if you caught a bullish breakout right now, I think you on the back end of it, fam. Volume too low. All right. Volume too low. So what I want to do is I want to go take a look at one of our bots real quick while these other ones are running. And you go take a look at RangeBaby. RangeBaby. I just want to take a, let me put some eyeballs on a few things. I'll look at the take profit levels. What are the take profit levels? Because I've been noticing when I first started, and I don't know what the hell mind frame I was in. I put the take profit. Okay, these take profit levels are fucking reasonable, bro. So what's happening? All right. using RG bat and different terminal commands. Let's pull and find the performance and trades for, and then advise findings. Do not skip anything, and do not just read the file at once. Use your tools, then advise. Use your tools and then advise, fam. All right, so I'm going to have that one go. But I want to show y'all something real quick. This is our first bot that's using the KMA, right? That's the adaptive moving average, and the SMA, everybody knows that, the simple moving average, right? I found a kind of a little bit of a hack, right? Being able to understand that you can intermingle the MAs or the moving averages. So it just doesn't have to be simple and then simple. You can have a simple then a KMA, right? We also have a bot that is EMA KMA. So I've been playing around with that lately, and that's been very, very advantageous for us. So I'm just waiting to see how that's going to pan out when it comes to like actual trading, and it's looking like it's going good, right? And I've only had to manually intervene here maybe once, maybe twice, because I want to get to a point where it's like truly algo trading. All I'm doing is just watching, right? If I want to step away for a bit, I step away. If I want to turn on the vibes, I can turn on the vibes, and there's no problem, right? And I want this to be a little bit more automated. So that's why, like, I kind of want to let these bots go, but if I need to drive the boat and take over, like, I'm going to, right? But one thing I would say is that I don't look for the positions, even though I am constantly looking at the market, just being, oh, we're in a bearish breakout right now. Yep. Bears are taking over. They're trying to push the price to new support levels, right? Same thing here. Let's go look at VIX. VIX is 14, so it's not that elevated. They're taking over. They're trying to push the price up. So let's go back to our coding session. All right, let's look at all of our trades. We had 3 calls in session 1. One hit TP, and then the other 2 was stop losses. And then no trade body initialized. And then session 3, all puts, right? All losses, right? Let's look at each trade and figure out why these signals were triggered. Why didn't we make any profit? Were they positive at any point in time? What did the bot see that caused this? any and all information, right, before we proceed with changing anything. All right, bet. Bet. Color bots is still running. We're looking, right? They're proper looking. So I'm just gonna have y'all just take a peek at. This is my process, man. This is how I do it. I'm going to be a little bit better about it this year, Lord willing. You know, new year, new things, as they say. But and I'm also going to be maybe today. Like, I really want to spend some time with machine learning. Because I'm not going to hold you. I have a lot of data that we can feed into any type of ML models, whether it's a classification model or whether it's, and I've been dabbling with it a bit, right? But today, after our paper trading session, maybe just gonna take a brief mission, right? Session should be done like another 15, 20 minutes here. But after our paper trading session, we're going to be spending some time with machine learning and being able to take advantage of all this data that I have, fam. You see me? All this data, another 50. So let's see what you're going to output and then tell me. Hold on. All right, bet. Still signal data. The bot is using the same squeeze multiple times and across. Really? All right, hold on. Winner, squeeze expansion, clear breakout with strong ATR expansion, RSI confirmed. Same squeeze signal, same squeeze. Extreme. YFL caught the bounce on QQQ from 616 to 617. Okay. Signal reverse risk option drop 14% in 5 seconds due to the low delta selection. Same. Okay. Still signal. Okay. Why isn't the bar's not updating fast enough or getting caught in the same entries? Let's find out what's the problem. So low delta, chasing entries, RSI extreme, no cooldown. All right, let's look into the bot and find out why it is chasing and using the same squeeze triggers and not moving on to the next one. Review the bot's files and then let me know. I didn't even give you all of them and you're spazzing. Review and advise before we update. There you go. So I'm getting one bot that's chasing shit. It's like, all right. And that's the part of it. Like, you want to be able to look at the nuance, right? Not just say, okay, you're losing, but why are you losing, right? Is it a matter of the signals? Is it a matter of the data? Is it a matter of us being able to make sure that you can do what we need you to do, right? So there's a few items that should be proper attended to. While this is outputting here. What do I want to do? Hold on. Excuse me. Paper. Let's look at these results, man. I don't want to say versus because that's like kind of counterintuitive, right? Let's just use this one. Let's use this one. Alpaca bar special. Let me understand why the bars show identical data. Is there not a data validator, which I'm pretty sure there is in our my fucking unified data, like a data. Okay, we have a position that just opened up. Sniper just opened up a position. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Boom. Well, he's at a position that just opened up. While I'm looking at this, y'all just go ahead and watch this position for me. Let me know if it could TP. Right now, we're currently down about 5%. How you can tell right here. The problem, looking at the logs, the identical. Oh, the position moved against us. Okay, we're going to close it. All right, bet. So let's see if we can get 5 trades. I need to look at that too. All right, let's come back over here. Looking at the logs, the identical squeeze appear at 931, 930, 11, 29, 49, 54. All show the range. Okay. How bars are fetched. The calculation uses, which excludes the current bar, meaning that it looks at the bar from before the current minute. If the current bar hasn't closed yet, it uses the same glass. Why? Okay. What I want to see. Review using terminal commands and see if there is a stale data checker here. Or here. This is some shit. I didn't know you was using the same motherfucking data. All right, so most of our bots, we're going to be done like in another 10 minutes here with our paper trading session. Then I'm going to be coming back on so we can go over excellently the stale. I already told you, bro. That I'm going to be going back over back on today so we can going over machine learning and how that works when it comes to algo trading, right? We have a lot of data that we can use for this, and I want to really proper figure out how to do this with y'all. So I'm going to be streaming that a little bit later, right after we take a little bit of a brief intermission after paper trading today. And I do have this one bot here, RangeBaby, that I kind of need to figure out because it's using stale data, and I kind of thought I had a control for this, but it's looking like there's a couple of things I may have looked over. So let's see. Okay, you checker exists, but not for the used bar. These okay. To prevent okay. Get the bar from which is timestamp, but it never checks if it's a fresh bar or if it's a new bar has arrived. Scans every 4 seconds, but bar updates every 60. That's crazy. Okay. Bar checkness, fingerprint. Ooh. New bar check. Only enter if the new bar is newer. Okay. But I also want a bar checkness and a fingerprint and then a cooldown as well. All right. But oh shit. We're in a position right now. Starbaby. Come be my star. Come be the bear of the ball. We also want. As well, let's run a few terminal commands to test this POC. Oh shit. Give me my money. Y'all see this, right? That was crazy, fam. was wild. I just wanted to take a look at that. You made $14 today, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, whoa. Oh snap! Y'all are getting some action. Y'all are getting some action to test and make sure we understand how we're going to add this and where. And make sure we're using real data, not mocks. Use Python, not Python 3, and run it in Conda. Activate Algo, baby. Well, that's what's up. I ain't gonna hold you. Starbaby, I was kind of, I don't know. That bot has shown me that it's maybe ready for the live too. It's maybe ready for the wait. Get right, please. I kind of need to figure out why you're. All right, bro. Come on, figure this out. Figure this out, bro. Figure this out. Figure this out, Brody. There we go. Almost. This confirms the issue. Now let me test the signal fingerprint concept. Okay. I'm seeing error. Let's go back to our bots while I'm having you do that. And again, like another 15 minutes or so, our bots are going to be done for today. But we have made some strides. Lotto baby, I don't feel like you haven't been trading. You're another one they need to go like take a deep dive into. Like it's like, bro, what is going on? This is the first bot. As a matter of fact, yeah, I want to figure you out because, as the name says, you're supposed to be a Lotto baby. It's crazy, fam. You're still looking. That's what's up. You're still trying to find. I appreciate you. The market is the fuck not closed, bro. The market is not closed, fam. Figure out what you're doing wrong and let's get this working. Has the keys you need. Not. Bet. Let's get this right, man. Let's get this right. I can't believe you just told me the market was closed. You just told me the market is closed, bruh. I see the market closed at 4. Bro, you are doing this wrong. It is 1/2/26. That's crazy to say. And it is 11:02 a.m. EST. Figure out what you're doing wrong. Oh, I can cuss you out. Oh, I can cuss you out. Yes, you dick cheese. Hold on, that doesn't make sense. Let me test these. Okay. This may be a little bit more of a laborious task, right? Okay, hold on. Again, we got another 15 minutes of trading. SIP requires No, there has to be something wrong with how you're doing it. Review it again. Also, review using terminal commands to understand it a bit more and continue testing and confirm what your hypothesis is. Let me go look at the market while you just bullshitting. We are in a bearish slide right now. They're trying to. Oh, look at the bulls just took over, and this is SPY. Same thing here. Oh, VIX is popping right now. VIX is trying to welcome to the party. Oh, you know what I also need to go do? I also need to go pull 2025 data. Because that year just finished. So I want to go pull the full year data of 2025 and see how that could work for our back test. So yeah, I'm gonna do that later. There's a couple of things. So we're just gonna be having a vibey session later, man. I got a lot of shit that I need to get done. Aside from this little admin BS that I'm working on right now, but so I'm going to be doing a lot of things with y'all so y'all can see my process. So I'm going to be having a little bit of like a cold vibing session later. I'm going to be doing a little bit of everything. I'm not going to hold you. Now I see the default is SIP. Let me use IEX explicitly. 350 seconds, 357 seconds, bro. Of still now I understand IEX is real time. Last bar only with 2 minutes ago. Now, okay. You're getting 1604. How are you getting 1604, bro? It's 11 o'clock. 1604 is like 4, 2, 3. Okay, 16. If you subtract 12, that's 4 p.m. Now I understand the issues. The bars update when a new minute closes. Okay. What? Okay. I don't understand. I don't understand how you're getting 1604 when it is 11 a.m. Is that UTC or epoch time? Yes, bitch. My fault. I'm getting a little belligerent. Epoch is UTC. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, my fault. Let me run. Yes, because I'm like that makes a universal time converter or whatever computer time. So it makes it easier for them to read. But again, that doesn't make sense because I know it's 11, but you're saying 16, but 16 to me means 4. Like, get me right. Okay, the PLC works. All check span, entry allowed, recorded. Okay, same fingerprint, cooldown active, same bar. This would have prevented the chasing behavior. It logged where, okay. Bar freshness, fingerprint. Okay, cooldown, require new bar. All right, let's triple check this and make sure you understand it and it properly works how we're wanting it to do. And how did you land on 120 seconds? 100, yep. Can it be faster or like 100 or 40? How did you get there? Let's discuss and test before we proceed. All right, let's look at our bots. Let's see how they're performing. Let's go look at our bots and see how they're performing. All right, we have Meaniebear bot. This bot made $7 today and is currently looking for a position. It's telling us that the volume is a bit too low, so that's why it's not currently going. It's like, all right, bet. Let's go ahead and look at our LottoBaby bot. This bot trades SPY. This is a breakout bot, and this is a bot that I need to take into the lab a little bit more because this bot hasn't traded for quite some time. This is our SniperBaby bot. It trades SPY, as the name says. It is a quick sniping bot. It goes in and out of positions fairly quickly, and it is down a bit. So this is another bot I need to take in the lab. And then Easy Reader, bot we just checked on earlier today. Let me see if it's made anything. Nope, hasn't yet. It's still scanning. So it's like, all right, go do your thing. Here's our high frequency trading bot. This bot has made $9 today so far. It's like, all right, keep going and doing your thing. And here's a bot that trades both SPY and QQQ. Right. This bot, I need to do a better job of being able to have it log, right? Because I ain't gonna hold you. Need to figure out. And this is our GravityBaby bot, a bot that we created with y'all earlier this week, last year. It's funny to say. This bot is currently running right now, trying to find what to do. So let's go back over to Claude Code. All right, 60 seconds work. Let me explain my reasoning and show each value. Bar freshness 1 minute, updates every 60 seconds. So that makes sense. 90 seconds give us buffer with API latency. Could go lower to 75 seconds, but no benefit. Fingerprint, most important, block re-entry on the same squeeze. Reacts when the new bar arrives within a different range. New bar check requires new bar within the last entry. Force a minimum of 60 seconds, 1 minute for the next bar. This alone prevents the chasing. Okay. Let's go with the 60 seconds. Again, test it again before we proceed to update the actual bot with this. What I also want to do later is being able to test Tradier. And see Tradier could be, because I kind of knew that they provided market data, right? And I do have an account with them, and I kind of almost just put them to the back end because their paper trading account is super delayed, fam. But as far as their market data is concerned, like it is real time, so that's one thing I want to test. So I have a few things. Oh, it's 11:11. Make a wish. There's a few things that I want to test and being able to flush out and get out the way, but nonetheless, we're going to be doing this. So I have a few things that's going to be planned. So like I need y'all to buckle up and make sure y'all here. All right, all 5. Okay. Where are we going to update these items in the bot? And also making sure we update as well. Did I already pull the trades for you? Nope, I didn't. I kind of need to do that too. I kind of need to do that as well. All right, bet. All right, let the people know. Let the people know them. Let the people know. All right, beautiful. RangeBaby in the configs. All right, and the bot. Okay. All right, let's get this done after you've tested again. Then let's implement it. Then make sure it works and ensure to update change log as well. All right, let's get this in. I'll be right back. I think I want to get the vibes going a little bit. Let me go back to the coding session real quick. Hold on. Y'all remember the vibes I had last time? Let me just get the vibes going a little bit. Let me get the vibes going a little bit, a little bit. Let me know if that's too loud. And you compacting. Did you finish though? Yeah, you finished. All right, bet. Bet. I mean, this is where, yeah, we're going to call it a wrap because our bots practically rapping for the day. So listen, oh, my fault. You can't even see what I'm looking at. It is your boy Creative. We will be back at it again a little bit. We are finished with our paper trading session for today. When I come back, we're going to be working on machine learning and also being able to download our updated 2025 data, right? So we can have that and maybe back test that on a few of our bots to see what we can do in order to improve them. But nonetheless, if you haven't already, I need you to comment, I need you to subscribe, and most of all, I need you to like, because if you are able to like this, that means others are going to be able as well. It is your boy Creative.